Want to make sure your Windows PC is protected from viruses and malware. Windows Security makes it easy to check your current antivirus status. In this guide, I'll show you where to find the protection details, scan status, and important security settings. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Select the app from the results to open the main security dashboard. From the dashboard, select Virus and Threat Protection. This is the main section for checking your antivirus protection and scanning options. Start with the Current Threats section. Here, Windows Security shows your latest scan information and whether any current threats have been detected. If everything looks clear, you'll typically see that no current threats were found. Next, look for information about your antivirus protection. Microsoft Defender Antivirus is built into Windows and can provide real-time protection when it's active. If another compatible antivirus is installed, Windows may use that provider instead. To review important protection settings, select Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Look for real-time protection and make sure it's enabled when you're relying on Microsoft Defender for protection. Real-time protection helps monitor files and activity for potential threats. You may also see options such as cloud-delivered protection and automatic sample submission. These features can help Microsoft Defender respond to new and suspicious threats. Keep them enabled unless you have a specific reason to change them. Another useful check is Security Intelligence Updates. Select Check for updates to make sure Defender has the latest protection information. Keeping these updates current is important because new threats appear regularly. Finally, open Protection History to review recent detections and actions. If Windows has blocked or quarantined something, you'll see it here. Review unfamiliar alerts carefully and don't restore a file unless you're confident it's safe. And that's how to check your virus protection in Windows Security. Check your threat status, keep real-time protection and security intelligence updated, and review alerts when something looks unusual. So yeah, a quick check can go a long way toward keeping your PC protected.